Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to show you the locations of the VIN number, paint code and tyre information on a 2019 Kia Cerato. So this information used to always be underneath the hood in the engine bay. Well, in this car that's not the case. So let me just firstly show you where the VIN number is. So it's just on the windscreen. There's a cutout there on the left hand side or the passenger side of the vehicle, just where the windscreen wiper normally rests. So that's first off, that's the VIN number. And just come over to the passenger side or the left hand side of the vehicle, open up the door fully. And just down in the door jamb there, again you've got the VIN number. You've actually got the built date, so 09-2019. Got some other relevant information including the manufacturer, and then a barcode which I would imagine the manufacturer can use. Now actually most of the information is stored over the driver's side of the vehicle or the right hand side of the vehicle. So we're just going to go over, again open up the door fully. In the same location as the passenger side, you can see these three labels. So this is how to reset the tyre pressure monitor, your tyre information, and again that sort of label that has VIN number, the manufacturer, the built date August 19, the exterior paint colour which is UD, interior trim reference, chassis number, and then we've also got the engine number down the bottom as well. So there we go. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.